Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Excellency in the name of Allah, the most gracious, most merciful, Excellency Dr. Hanifuddin Mahadun, Excellency Dr. Hairatul Tawadi Ahmad, Excellency all my teacher, Excellency my family. I will explain about different types of sneeze. As mentioned earlier, different types you sneeze. Biasanya itu seperti biasanya macam-macam bersin ya. We hear them every day. Jadi kita itu setiap hari selalu mendengarkan bersin. Reduce sneeze as quick as a mouse. Jadi ada yang bersinnya itu besar, ada yang bersinnya itu kecil seperti tikus. Individuals can vary. Jadi setiap individu itu memiliki inner sensitivitas, irritants and alergi, iritasi dan alergi. Almost keeping the internal. Jadi bersin biasanya ada yang ditahan dari dalam. Allah likes sneezing, but dislikes yawing. Alhamdulillah, Allah yatikumullah. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.